Hey there, drone enthusiasts! Whether you're a beginner or a pro, today we're diving into the world of drones and breaking down the different types you need to know about. From hobby drones to professional beasts, I've got you covered. Let's get into it! First up, we've got toy drones. These are perfect for beginners or younger pilots who want to get a feel for flying without breaking the bank. They're lightweight, easy to control, and usually come with fun features like flips and tricks. Just don't expect high-quality camera footage from these. Think of them as the training wheels of the drone world. Next, we have camera drones. Probably the most popular type you've seen buzzing around. These are the go-to drones for photography and videography enthusiasts. With stabilized cameras, GPS features, and long battery life, these drones are perfect for capturing those epic aerial shots. Whether you're vlogging your next adventure or shooting a commercial, camera drones have your back. Before we move on, if you're finding this breakdown helpful, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I've got more drone tips, reviews, and tutorials coming your way. You don't want to miss them! Alright, back to the drones. If you're into speed, let me introduce you to racing drones. These bad boys are built for one thing, going fast. They're lightweight, super responsive, and can hit some crazy speeds. Racing drones require a bit more skill to fly, but once you get the hang of it, there's nothing more exhilarating than zipping through an obstacle course. Next up are FPV drones or first-person view drones. These are perfect for pilots who want to feel like they're sitting inside the drone itself. With FPV goggles, you get an immersive flying experience, seeing exactly what the drone sees in real time. Whether you're racing or filming, FPV drones give you that pilot-in-the-sky vibe. Last but definitely not least, we've got professional drones. These drones are equipped with high-end cameras, advanced flight systems, and often have multiple rotors for extra stability. Used in industries like filmmaking, agriculture, and even search and rescue, these drones are designed for serious work. If you're looking to take your drone game to a whole new level, this is where it's at. All right, now that we've covered the types of drones, which one is right for you? If you're just starting out, go for a toy drone to practice. If you're all about that cinematic footage, camera drones are your best bet. For the adrenaline junkies, racing and FPV drones are where the action's at. And for the pros out there, you know which ones to look for. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and make sure to check out more of our videos for everything you need to know about drones. Drop a comment below with your favorite type of drone, and happy flying. I'll see you in the next one.